Now let's come back to our main thing, this particular slide, where people have deposited, say Antony has deposited 1 lakh, Basha 10,000, Cinderella 10 lakhs, Dorothy 1,000, like that many are there. Let us assume this Antony is an individual. So then individual means savings account, yes or no, that's what we saw, individual means saving account. Now this Basha is one Basha Auto Industries, so that has put, that will be the current account only, yes or no. So this Antony is savings account, Basha, let us assume Basha Auto Industries current account, Cinderella has put a EFD and fixed deposit, Dorothy is putting recurring deposit of 1,000 RD, like that many would have put. So overall this 100 crore will be either time liability or demand liability, yes or no, either it will be savings account, current account, or fixed deposit, recurring deposit. So this 100 crore is a net of demand, means total of demand and time liability. Do you agree with me? Because that 100 crore consists of both demand liability and time liability. Agreed or no? Now, because we had, why, again I will repeat, why demand liability? Because savings account, current account is here, Antony is a savings account, Basha Industries current account, both are demand liability. That's what we saw, savings account, current account. On the other hand, FD, RD, time liability. Here we are seeing that Cinderella has put an FD, Dorothy has put a recurring deposit. So this is, this entire, as a whole they have collected 100 crores, that's what we saw, this Rajinikanth Commercial Bank. So this is a net of demand and time liability, this 100 crore. Now I will take the first alphabets. In net, what is the first alphabet? N. What is the first alphabet for demand? D. Leave this and what is the first alphabet of time? T, and liability L. So this is NDTL. So what is NDTL? In prelims also at times they ask in terms of the NDTL of a bank is, when they write NDTL, it is nothing but net demand and time liability. Okay, now we have learned what is net demand and time liability. Now Rajinikanth Commercial Bank now has given loan to education, to vehicle loan, industrial loan, housing loan. Now let us assume you have also put some money there. You have deposited some 1 lakh in fixed deposit. Okay, you thought Rajinikanth Commercial Bank is good, so you have also deposited. Let us assume I have also deposited some money. Suddenly there is one message coming in our WhatsApp. You know, Rajinikanth Commercial Bank has given loan to Vijay Mallya. Now this Vijay Mallya has run away. You know, Rajinikanth Commercial Bank has also given a loan to Nirav Modi. Now Nirav Modi has also run away. Now suddenly one message comes. What you will do? What I will do? Immediately won't we run to bank? Yes or no? No, we'll go. See, this message is not just for you and me. So many of the depositors would have got. Then suddenly one fear comes. We all go to the bank and we go to Rajinikanth Commercial Bank and say, sir, if we have savings account, immediately we will withdraw. Yes or no? From ATM. In ATM it is not cash, we will go to the branch and start withdrawing. If it is FD, now Rajinikanth will come and say, boss, we will put a penalty for you because FD is a time liability only. 1 year later only you should come. But what you will say? Sir, take away the penalty, no problem, but give me whatever left over because I am scared. You have given loan to Vijay Mallya. Suddenly if that money doesn't come back, you won't give me. Now, if all of us go at a time and start asking whether Rajinikanth Commercial Bank will have that 100 crore, whether whatever he collects from us, he has collected from the depositors 100 crore. Now, whether he will put it in a big almiras and lockers and lock it, if he keeps like that, next year when we go and ask, 100 crore will remain as 100 crore only. So what he would have done with this 100 crore? He would have given for education loan, industrial loan, vehicle loan. But if all of us go and ask, see, he has to pay. but he doesn't have money because he would have given us loan. This concept is called as bank run. If all of us at a point of time, not necessarily all, even most of us, like chit funds and all, it happens, you would have seen in televisions and all, many people rush if they get a fear that will become a problem, that bank or chit fund is in trouble. We all go and start taking the deposits. Recently PMC Bank was in trouble like this. Now if all of us go and ask for our deposits, whether Rajinikanth will be in a position to pay? No. So what he will tell us? Boss, wait for just 1 hour. He won't have money. So you may ask, you may think, why can't he borrow from Reserve Bank of India? Now Reserve Bank of India will not give him for paying back the deposit. In that case, PMC Bank, RBI should have paid. They didn't pay because that is not the duty of RBI. RBI is to regulate the banks. So what Rajinikanth will do? Rajinikanth will say, boss, wait for some time, 1 hour later, one big truck is going to come. So we will all wait eagerly in big queue. Suddenly one big truck will come. Now big packets will come. Each one will be distributed the packets. He will also take one packet. Rajinikanth will also take one packet. Once he opens, we will also eagerly open that packet. First he will open. There will be one yellow towel. He will put it on his head. And each one of us, when we open, we will also be given yellow towel only. We should also put on our head. Basically means that bank is bankrupt. So he has declared bankruptcy. Okay. So now we understood what is bank run. Now let us go to this. What exactly happens? So net demand and time liability we have already seen. Demand liabilities means current account and savings account. Yes or no? And what is time liabilities? Time liabilities is fixed deposit, recurring deposit. Then we know what is NDTL, net of demand and time liabilities. Now what is bank run? See, this particular thing was taken from the net only. See, this bank runs happen. Okay. Now suddenly people will rush because if they see in 2008 Lehman Bank was in crisis in US, many other banks, there was bank run. Okay, in 2003 if you see, ICICI Bank was almost in a very deep trouble. Now what happened is, see, in Gujarat there is one place called Surat. Now in Surat, one small newspaper, one local newspaper wrote one article. It seems not verified, unconfirmed report says ICICI Bank is in trouble. No, immediately that started going like a wildfire. This news started going to Baroda, nearby cities Baroda, Bharuch, Ahmedabad, everywhere it was going. So people were rushing and going. So ICICI Bank was telling, yes, demand liability, time liability, yes, the ICICI was paying and saying, boss, nothing to worry, we are all right. But these people, useless fellows will always say they are all right, but they will not. So some were saying, hey, fixed deposit, you will have to pay a penalty. God, please take away whatever penalty, remaining amount you give. So people were restless. ICICI, one good thing was, this particular news didn't go to adjacent states. Only it was confined to Gujarat. So ICICI was bringing cashes from adjacent states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, especially from Mumbai. Lot of trucks and trucks of cashes were coming to ICICI, Gujarat, and they were paying, telling, boss, we are okay. Then Reserve Bank of India gave a statement. This all happened in 2003. Reserve Bank of India governor told, it is absolutely safe, nothing to worry. People started telling, this RBI governor is also involved. All are hand in glove. We cannot rely them. So they continuously were withdrawing only. However, for 3-4 days, once money from adjacent states was taken and here they were pumping, people started realizing, oh, no problem. They are giving whatever we are asking. So gradually this fear was subsided and later they realized, okay, it is safe only. Okay, then they started depositing back in banks. So one major bank run was prevented. In case if that fire, that news that would have spread to other states also, ICICI would have become bankrupt. Remember that. Now, this particular concept is called bank run.